Today we're working on Excel Lesson 1, the third lesson, entering numbers. So this is what you should have opened up. And step 1 says in cell B5 of the workbook, B5, we're going to type 450, press enter. And B6, type 1, comma 050, press enter. And cell B7, 225, press enter. B8, 46.50, and enter. B9, 9.9, and enter. Click in cell A9. Notice that in cell A9 that part of the text entry that had overflowed into B9 is now hidden because a value was entered into cell B9. However, the formula bar shows the data cell in A9 is unchanged. So it's talking about right here, it says airport fees, you can't see it all, but up here in the formula bar, you can see that it still says that. Alright, so mark that as answered. Go to the next one. In cell D8, click in cell D8 and type 3.1% and press enter. Excel interprets the entered values as numeric and aligns them to the right of their cells. However, if you enter any non-recognizable characters or insert any commas or decimal points in the wrong position, Excel will treat the entire contents of that cell as a label and align it to the left side of the cell. So, click in cell D9. We're going to enter 2.2% and press enter. Notice that Excel aligned the data on the left side of the cell. Because you entered a comma instead of a period, Excel assumes that the cell entry is a text value. Move back to D9 and we're going to type 2.2% and hit enter, and that will replace the incorrect contents of that cell. So mark that as answered and submit. And you can see we got 2 green check marks, so this completes entering numbers.